Between Bingen and Bonn, Germany, the Rhine River flows as the Middle Rhine, German, Mittelrhein, through the Rhine Gorge, a formation created by erosion, which happened at about the same rate as an uplift in the region, leaving the river at about its original level, and the surrounding lands raised. This gorge is quite deep, about 130 meters, 430 feet, from the top of the rocks down to the average water line. The Middle Rhine is one of four sections: Higher Rhine, Upper Rhine, Middle Rhine, Lower Rhine, of the river between Lake Constance and the North Sea. The upper half of the Middle Rhine, Rhine Gorge, from Bingen, Rhine kilometer 526, to Koblenz, Rhine kilometer 593, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, 2002, with more than 40 castles and fortresses from the Middle Ages and many wine villages. The lower half from Koblenz, Rhine kilometer 593, to Bonn, Rhine kilometer 655, is famous for the formerly volcanic Siebengebirge with the Drentfels volcano. Both parts together are known as the Romantic Rhine. The Middle Rhine Valley has been a major tourist attraction since the 19th century. It is also home to some 450,000 people. The valley owes its special appearance to both its natural shape and human alterations. For 2 millennia, it has been one of the most important routes for cultural exchange between the Mediterranean region and Northern Europe. Situated in the heart of Europe, it was sometimes a border and sometimes a bridge between different cultures. The history of the valley reflects the history of Western Europe. With its many outstanding monuments, its hills full of vines, its settlements crowded on the narrow river banks, and the rows of castles lined up on the hilltops, it is considered the epitome of the Rhine Romanticism. It inspired Heinrich Heine to write his famous poem Lorelei and Richard Wagner to write his opera Götterdämmerung. The vineyards along the Middle Rhine form the wine-growing region of the same name, see Mittelrhein, wine region. Location: the name Rhine Gorge refers to the narrow gorge of the Rhine flowing through the Rhenish Slate Mountains between Bingen am Rhein and Rüdsche im Rhein in the south and Bonn-Bad Godesberg and Bonn-Oberkassel in the north. Between Rüdsche im and Lorch, the left bank belongs to the German state of Rhineland-Palatinate, the right bank belongs to the wine region of Rheingau in the state of Hesse. Downstream of Lorch, both banks belong to Rhineland-Palatinate until the river crosses the border with North Rhine-Westphalia shortly before Bonn. The Middle Rhine basin at Neuwied separates the upper and lower halves of the Middle Rhine. On the named Irrworth Peninsula, between Rhine kilometer 614.2 and 615.5, is the Andernach Geyser, which at 50 to 60 meters, 160 to 200 feet, is the highest cold water geyser in the world. On July 7, 2006, the geyser was reactivated for tourists. Transport: there are major railway lines on both sides of the river, the Linkringstræk on the left and the Richtringstræk on the right. Major roads are the federal roads B9 and B42 and, of course, the Rhine itself is a major international waterway. Towns and cities: the most important cities on the left bank are Bingen, Bacharach, Oberwesel, Streetgor, Boppard and Koblenz. On the upper Middle Rhine and Andernach, Bad Breisig, Sinzig, Remagen and Bonn on the lower Middle Rhine. On the right bank we find Rüdsche im, Assmanshausen, Lorch, Kob, Streetgorshausen, Braubach and Lahnstein on the upper Middle Rhine and Val-Ender, Bindorf, Neuwied, Bad Honingen, Lenz am Rhein, Bad Honnef and Königswinter on the lower part. Tributaries: larger tributaries on the left include Nahe, Moselle and Aar, On the right Lahn, Weid and Sieg.